up, YouTube? Today I have another product, and it's basically a jump rope ignitions. As you can see, it's right there, and it's the way to set it up. And these are, you go for what height you are, and it'll tell you how much to cut the wire. So basically, if you are 5'5", you're gonna cut it 8 foot 4 inches. If you are 6'11", you're gonna cut it 9 foot 11 inches. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna show you what you gotta do, but I'm not gonna cut it yet. So basically, this is it right here. This is your jump rope. Cable is very nice, very thin. So, get this open. It's going to be very long because you have to set it up for your height. And in the package you do get these things too, extra plugs and to lock it in. And this is the wire, very long. So now basically you measure it. These are your handles, very nice. You measure your wire. So you have this right here, you loosen it. Okay, you measure your wire, you take the cap off, loosen it, and you put where you're supposed to cut. You lock it in, you cut it, and you put the plug back. Well, that's about it, YouTube. Once you cut it up, put the measuring you want, you can start jumping. Pretty cool how they're making it now. You know, when I was younger, I didn't remember having these. I just remember having the rope, but it's a little strong wire. Well, the chart is with the package, tell you how to cut it. That's about it. Well, like and subscribe. In my description there will be a link to where to buy. Thanks for watching.